On a good morning, oh. So we dey live now for OBB, our day mini for inside also local government for Imo State, and the place we dey now na their House of Assembly member wey dey represent them for the state assembly, wey im name na Ekene Nnodumele. So report wey we hear yesterday be say they attacked this place yesterday in the evening. Yeah, na the lawmaker house. The place was attacked and the security man, they cut him head. So yeah, na the compound of Ekene Nnodumele. But wetin people use now for in place na stainless. So this na in compound where we hear say attack be happen for this side. So yeah, na Ekene compound for in village. So we go make we go inside, check the level of damage wey happen for this side. So this na the house of Ekene Nnodumele. Yeah, na one of the room with the fire wey happen. This one na the damage wey dey for this room. And with all the whole issue wey dey happen for Imo State, I go tell you say Ekene na the first House of Assembly member for Imo State House of Assembly wey dey don attack im house. Yeah, na the kitchen. Yeah, na the kitchen. We dey live for OBB. Awu in day mini for inside also local government. Yeah, na the lawmaker wey dey represent. Report we hear yesterday be say they attack in house yesterday and they burn some part of the place, and the security men they cut in head. So no only one casualty wey happen, and now the security man, but they cut the guy head. But as they speak to you now, they carry the guy, but they go mortuary, go keep. This is now the sitting room of the lawmaker, and you go fit see the level of the damage wey happen for here. So here now the bedroom of the lawmaker, and this is the level of damage now we will see for this place. This place is another bedroom, and the thing wey happen for here be say property is really damaged for this house. A lot of property really damaged, even the bed and the bedroom. Every property for here really damaged, but the building still dey intact. But for property, all in property really damaged for this attack wey happen for this side. So we still there for the compound for Ekene Nnodumele. We go check whether we go fit talk to one person wey witness wetin happen, make he tell us how the thing take start. This na the boys quarter wey dey for the compound, and this one na the level of damage wey happen for this side. So we dey live for Ekene Nnodumele. So we go follow one of the eyewitness wey experience wetin happen, wey see how the thing take happen. Make she tell us wetin really happen with wetin we dey see now for here. So, and another report wey here be say the Attorney General wey im name na Akolisa, wey still from this local government, they attack im house too, they burn im house, but no report of casualty for that place. But now for here we hear say the security man to this lawmaker, they cut im head. So this one another boys quarter for the compound, and this now the level of damage will happen for this side. So this bike now we park for this compound now. The bike now belong to the security man where they secure this lawmaker house, and now the man where they cut his neck. So now he get this bike. Now in bike we park for here, but they don't carry him, but then I go mortuary go keep. So we dey for OBB, for our Ndemini, for the lawmaker where they represent them for State House of Assembly. When his name na Ekene Nnodumele, for inside also local government area. So we follow the lawmaker talk this morning for phone. And the lawmaker talk say in confirm say they attack in house. Say the story we hear they very sad because of say in age parents they for village and this thing can happen. So we won't follow one eyewitness. We see wetin happen. May she tell us wetin happen. Madam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Speak. So if you tell us wetin happen.
Yes.
Wetin happen? How it take happen?
As we were sleeping last night, around 1 or to 1:30, so we discovered that somebody was knocking on the door, and the person was shouting, "Open the door! If you don't open the door, we shoot you. We arrest you." They were using all those languages that we couldn't understand. So we now open the door for the person because we know that it is not ordinary person that came in. So when we opened the door, they now asked us whether we are the owner of the house. We said no. Now they asked us, who is this person? Because our mother was sleeping there. She was amputated. So she was sleeping, I was sleeping with my mother. Now the other of my sister, they asked her, where is your husband? That my sister told them that it's also a visitor, that we are looking after our aged parents and the sick parents. So they now searched everywhere. They went to her mother and saw that she was amputated. They went to her father and saw that he has stroke, partial stroke. And now they came out and said that this is not the type of people they want. They now left us. Now when they left us now, they came out and they fired about 4 bullets outside. Now when they fired about that 4 bullets, we thought that they have killed somebody because we couldn't see all the members of the family that night. We couldn't find where they were. So now they set all the house ablaze, like this one now. They set it ablaze. We don't even know that they have set the big building ablaze. Now that fire was going up. We saw that the other house may catch it. Now they decided to shift our sick parents. We now collected our wheelchair, took them outside. It was later when our neighbors came in that they discovered that they have killed our security men. And even they went the other side and found out that they have set our brother's house ablaze.
Okay, thank you. So we there for OBB, our Ndemini, we there for inside also local government. So this is now the lawmaker house, and this is the first attack where they happen where they affect House of Assembly member. So the man named na Ekene Nodumele, and now him be the first lawmaker where this attack don't reach, and they follow attack the Attorney General house. In house still there for this also local government, and the name na in name na Akolisa. In name na Akolisa. That one we have say casualty no happen for there, but they burn down the house. So we go see they bring on a more story. Meanwhile, the police command for Imo State, they never bring any statement come out to whether they don't hear waiting happen for this side. We still they expect a statement from them. So we go see they bring on an update with waiting they happen on a good morning.